The project name is Innovation in Poultry Care. We have developed a model which will automate many processes of the poultry industry. The first one is the feeder mechanism, feed dispenser. We have to put feed inside this bowl. This is a container which will control the flow of the feed through several holes provided at the bottom. You can observe that there is a spring which will be moving around and will be pushing the feed into the holes. The second part is the water dispenser. This is feed dispenser and this is water dispenser. This is water dispenser. There is a small motor placed inside this tank. When the switch is pressed, the water will flow through this pipeline and it will deliver to various pots inside the poultry. We can observe the motor is working and the water is flowing through this. The third part is the incubator part. When you connect this, eggs will be placed in the tray and a small heater is placed beneath the tray. And the eggs, this motion will move the eggs around so that the eggs receive even amount of heat in all the directions so that the incubation takes place. This will convert the eggs into chicken or small chicks. The third is the resting area. A resting area, elevated resting area has been provided so that the hens can take rest on elevated areas and they can protect themselves from snakes and other dangerous animals. This is an egg laying area. This eggs normally lay egg in dark room. So we have provided a dark room where the eggs will safely go and they will place their eggs inside this. This is an automatic lighting system. We have provided a light detector here. See, now the light detector is facing downside, so the lights are glowing. If the light detector comes upward, this is the sensor. If comes upward, the light will fall on this sensor and the lights will be switched off. If I turn it back down, again the lights will be switched on. The fourth part is a temperature controlled fan. The temperature controlled fan will provide will maintain the required temperature inside this poultry. If the temperature inside this increases, automatically the fan will be switched on and and hot air will be taken out through this exhaust fan. Now this can be demonstrated. This is a sensor. This is a temperature sensor. When the temperature inside the poultry starts increases, the fan starts rotating. So as long as the temperature is increasing, automatically that fan will be rotating. Now we can observe the fan is rotating at full speed. Now if I remove it, after some time the temperature will come down and the fan will be automatically switched off. Now you can observe, since the temperature is reducing, the fan speed is reducing. So the fan speed is directly proportional to the temperature inside the poultry. Now since the temperature is going low, the fan will ultimately become slow and ultimately it will stop. This is how is the working of the poultry system. With this system we can automate the poultry industry, and with just one person you can control the entire poultry and the wastage of feed and water dispensing can be minimized.